Ha! Hello world, hello everybody. Here I am on my property. I'm trying to figure out where, and I'm having a real tough time. I'm gonna have to call the old guys. Check this out. I know this is here. Is it okay? Still going, okay. Running water. How cool is that? But I gotta cross this, and somewhere down here is my property line. I'm gonna call the assessor today and get the coordinates and enter them, and we'll see what happens. But look at running water down there. There, running water. How cool is that? All right, just throwing these videos out real quick while I'm out here doing this. So live by your wits, not by your worries. Back in a while. Peace. Bye. Oh, by the way, they're delivering my porta potty here in a little while. Yay! Okay, bye. And remember, race fast or die in pain. Oh, okay, bye.